Welcome to day 16 of our challenge. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of wealth building, maximizing your credit power. Get ready for 10 tips that will empower you to leverage your credit effectively and build a solid foundation for financial success. Tip 1. Understand your credit score and report. Your credit score plays a significant role in your financial life. It determines your credit worthiness and influences your ability to access favorable interest rates and loan terms. Take the time to understand how your credit score is calculated and what factors impact it. Obtain a copy of your credit report to review your credit history, ensuring there are no errors or discrepancies. Understanding your credit score and report allows you to identify areas for improvement and take the necessary steps to enhance your credit worthiness. Your credit score is a key factor that lenders and financial institutions use to assess your credit worthiness. It's important to have a clear understanding of how your credit score is calculated and what factors influence it. The main components that affect your credit score include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. Obtain a copy of your credit report from one or more credit bureaus and review it carefully. Check for any errors or discrepancies that could negatively impact your creditworthiness. If you find inaccuracies, promptly dispute them to ensure your credit report reflects accurate information. By understanding your credit score and report, you can identify areas that need improvement and take the necessary steps to enhance your creditworthiness. This, in turn, can open doors to better interest rates, loan terms, and financial opportunities that contribute to your wealth building journey. Tip 2. Pay your bills on time. Consistently paying your bills on time is crucial for maintaining a positive credit history. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score and may result in additional fees and penalties. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. By making timely payments, you demonstrate your reliability as a borrower and build a strong foundation for your creditworthiness. Paying your bills on time is one of the most important habits to cultivate for a healthy credit profile. Whether it's credit card payments, loan installments, or utility bills, aim to make payments on or before the due date. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missing any payments. This helps establish a track record of responsible financial behavior, enhancing your creditworthiness over time. By consistently paying your bills on time, you demonstrate your reliability to lenders and increase your chances of accessing better credit terms in the future. Tip 3. Keep your credit utilization ratio low. Your credit utilization ratio refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit limit. Aim to keep this ratio as low as possible, ideally below 30. High credit utilization can negatively impact your credit score, as it may indicate financial instability or reliance on credit. Pay down debts and avoid maxing out your credit cards to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio and maximize your credit power. Maintaining a low credit utilization ratio is key to maximizing your credit power. It shows that you're responsibly managing your available credit and not relying too heavily on borrowed funds. To keep your credit utilization ratio low, aim to use no more than 30 of your total available credit limit. If your credit card balances are close to the limit, consider paying down your debts to decrease your utilization ratio. By doing so, you demonstrate responsible credit management and improve your credit worthiness. Tip 4. Diversify your credit mix. Having a diverse credit mix can positively impact your credit score. Lenders prefer to see a variety of credit types on your credit report, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. This demonstrates your ability to handle different types of credit responsibly. However, be cautious about taking on unnecessary debt. Only pursue credit options that align with your financial goals and needs. A diverse credit mix can enhance your creditworthiness and signal to lenders that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. It shows that you're capable of managing various financial obligations. Consider diversifying your credit mix by having a combination of credit cards, loans, and mortgages if applicable. However, it's important to note that this should be done with caution. Only take on credit that aligns with your financial goals and needs. Avoid unnecessary debt and borrow only what you can comfortably repay. Tip 5. Avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once. While having a diverse credit mix is beneficial, be cautious about opening too many new credit accounts within a short period. Each new credit application results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Carefully evaluate the need for new credit accounts and space out your applications to minimize their impact on your creditworthiness. When it comes to opening new credit accounts, it's important to exercise caution. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Avoid opening multiple new credit accounts within a short period, as it may raise concerns among lenders and affect your creditworthiness. Instead, carefully evaluate the need for new credit and space out your applications strategically. This allows time for your credit score to recover and minimizes the potential negative impact on your creditworthiness. Tip 6. Review and monitor your credit regularly. Regularly reviewing your credit report and monitoring your credit activity is essential for maintaining a healthy credit profile. Check your credit report for any errors or suspicious activity. Monitor your credit score to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. There are various free or paid credit monitoring services available that can provide you with updates and alerts regarding changes to your credit profile. Regularly reviewing and monitoring your credit is a proactive approach to ensuring your credit profile remains accurate and healthy. Review your credit report at least once a year and carefully examine the information provided. Look for any errors, discrepancies, or signs of fraudulent activity. If you identify any issues, promptly dispute them with the credit bureaus to rectify the situation. In addition to reviewing your credit report, monitor your credit score on an ongoing basis. This allows you to track your progress and identify areas where you can improve your creditworthiness. Several credit monitoring services are available, offering updates and alerts regarding changes to your credit profile. Tip 7. Pay off high-interest debts first. When it comes to managing your debts, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. These debts tend to accumulate more interest over time and can be a financial burden. By tackling high-interest debts first, you not only save money on interest payments, but also improve your overall financial health. Consider using strategies such as the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to accelerate your debt repayment and free up more resources for wealth building. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances or personal loans with high interest rates, can eat into your financial resources and hinder your wealth-building efforts. It's crucial to prioritize paying off these debts as quickly as possible. Consider utilizing debt repayment strategies such as the debt avalanche method or the debt snowball method. The debt avalanche method involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while the debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. Choose the method that aligns best with your financial situation and personal preferences. By prioritizing high-interest debts, you reduce the amount of interest you'll pay over time and gain momentum in your debt repayment journey. This allows you to free up more financial resources to invest, save, or pursue wealth-building opportunities. Tip 8. Use credit wisely for strategic purposes. While excessive debt can be detrimental, using credit wisely can be a powerful tool for wealth building. Consider strategic uses of credit, such as leveraging low-interest loans for investments or using credit cards that offer rewards or cashback programs. However, always ensure that you have a solid plan in place and the means to repay your debts responsibly. Credit can be a valuable tool when used strategically and responsibly. Consider leveraging low-interest loans to finance investments that have the potential to generate a higher return. However, be sure to thoroughly evaluate the risks and rewards before utilizing this strategy. Additionally, using credit cards that offer rewards or cashback programs can provide additional benefits when managed properly. Take advantage of these programs to maximize your savings and earn additional value from your spending. Just be sure to use credit cards responsibly and pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Remember, strategic use of credit requires careful planning, a solid repayment plan, and a thorough understanding of the associated risks. Always weigh the potential benefits against the costs before utilizing credit for any purpose. Tip 9. Build a positive payment history. Building a positive payment history is crucial for maximizing your credit power. Consistently making on-time payments and maintaining a clean credit record establishes your reputation as a reliable borrower. It shows lenders and financial institutions that you are trustworthy and capable of managing credit responsibly. By building a positive payment history, you enhance your creditworthiness and improve your chances of accessing favorable credit terms in the future. A positive payment history is essential for maximizing your credit power and enhancing your creditworthiness. Make it a priority to consistently make on-time payments for all your credit obligations. Late payments or defaulting on loans can have a detrimental impact on your credit score and financial reputation. On the other hand, demonstrating responsible payment behavior builds trust with lenders and establishes your reliability as a borrower. Take advantage of tools such as automatic payments, reminders, or calendar alerts to ensure you never miss a payment. By building a positive payment history, you set yourself up for success in accessing favorable credit terms and opportunities for wealth building. Tip 10. Seek professional advice when needed. If you feel overwhelmed or uncertain about managing your credit, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors or credit counseling services can provide valuable guidance and help you develop a personalized strategy for maximizing your credit power. Their expertise can assist you in navigating complex credit situations and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. When it comes to managing your credit, it's perfectly normal to seek professional advice if you feel unsure or overwhelmed. Financial advisors or credit counseling services can provide valuable guidance tailored to your specific situation. These professionals can help you develop a personalized strategy for maximizing your credit power and building a strong foundation for your wealth building journey. They can provide insights into credit management, debt repayment strategies, and credit optimization techniques. By seeking professional advice, you gain access to expertise and support that can significantly impact your financial success. Remember, it's okay to ask for help and leverage the knowledge of professionals who specialize in credit management. Congratulations on learning 10 valuable tips for maximizing your credit power and building wealth. Now, it's time to implement these strategies and unlock the full potential of your credit. Join us tomorrow for day 17, where we'll explore effective tips for reaching your money goals and achieving financial success. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share it with others who are ready to take control of their credit and accelerate their wealth building journey. Together, we'll create a strong financial foundation and embrace a future of financial abundance.